Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to change this color of the C++ output window in Dave C++. I have a C++ program here which is already compiled. So we will run this program and see how does it look like. So it's already compiled. Still, I will use the compile and run option. So when I click compile and run, it is compiling in the background and it will run after finishing the compiling. So the program is now executed and the output is coming in a black screen with the white letters, which I don't like. I want to present my program output to the user a little more colorful way. So I need to understand how do I color the background of this output window. So this is our topic for this video. In order to change the color of the background of the output window, we will use the code system and in the bracket we will say in quotation color space. I'm just giving one F. I will enclose it with a semicolon. Then when I compile and execute my program, so the program comes with the blue background and white letters. Okay. So now let me try another color code. So I'm just giving here 2F. So when I execute, when I compile, and after that I execute this one. So when I give 2F, it is coming with green background and white letters. Okay, let me try 2-1. So I compile it, and when I run it, you can see like it is coming with green background and blue letters. So what do you understand from that? That means the first value you say is the background and second value you say is the foreground color. Okay, so we can try F1. So F1 means it should come automatically blue letters and white background. So let us try that. Yeah, there is blue letters and white background. You see that? So the first value you say is the background color and the second value you give is the foreground color. That means the color of the letters. Okay, so which are the color codes available? So I'm just giving 100F here. So let me see what will happen. So when I give 100F, C++ is saying like I can't color. These are the only colors available. So 0 for black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, like that. Okay. So you can use any of this combination to give color to your output window. For example, if I want red background with the white letters, I will be using 4 and 7. So let me try that. Color, I'm giving saying like 4, 7. So when I compile and execute, it comes with a red background and white letters. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.